Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys some things that I got for the low at Marshall's. If y'all want to see what I picked up, stay tuned. So I got this OPI nail polish in Barefoot in Barcelona. $3.99. I got this color, OPI nail polish in Throw Me a Kiss. I think that's what it's called, Throw Me a Kiss. It's very pretty. They're all $3.99, which is crazy because these things are like almost $10 in the store probably, I think. I'm gonna look up the price and I'm gonna compare them. So this is OPI nail polish and this is My Solar Clock is Ticking. And this is what it looks like. So another nail polish that was just the OPI top coat. It's just a clear top coat. Got these, let me see who these are. I don't know who these are by. I don't know who this one is by. It says Hello Fab, so I'm thinking it's First Aid Beauty. When you go to Marshall's and TJ Maxx and all that, you gotta make sure that it's not open because people be opening stuff. So that's the only thing, like when you go, it's like it's hit or miss. Like you can't go in there with the expectations on a certain thing that you want, because other than that, you're gonna need to go to like Sephora or Ulta or somewhere like that. But you can find some great stuff at Marshall's. You just have to take your time and really look through everything. Like you gotta have at least an hour set to the side to be able to scope out this stuff, okay? I guess these are First Aid Beauty caffeine matcha wake up wipes, and I paid $2 for them. The next thing I found, I've been on a search for, I don't know, like I have been having like this lip obsession. Like I've been wanting to try new lipsticks, new glosses, new color combos, new all that. So that's what I've been up to behind the scenes. So I got this Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick and I got it in the shade Rust. I paid $5.99 for this one. And let's open it up so you guys can see the shade. The packaging is very nice on this thing. This is cute. This is very cute. And this is Rust by Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a really pretty color, and I was like $5.99. Like what? This stuff has not been used, so I'm super happy. I can't wait to try this out. You will be seeing this soon. Another one that I picked up is the M.A.C NW45 Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 Broad Spectrum Foundation by M.A.C. It says 24-hour wear, bootable matte coverage, oil and shine control. I paid $14.99 for this, so this is what it looks like. I don't know if this is my correct shade or not, but we definitely gonna try it out for $15. Oh, this is a, oh. So it doesn't come with a pump. Okay. So that's what the shade looks like. I'm guessing the W stands for warm. I'm gonna try it out. I feel good about this purchase. What I picked up is the Cover FX Blurring Primer and Pore Minimizer. This is what it looks like. This is how it comes. And it's not open, which is a good thing. Okay, I don't really want to buy anything that's going on my face that's open. This was different because I use Laura Mercier powder all the time, but I've never tried their foundation. I found the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Foundation, and this is in the shade 6in1 Truffle. So I don't know if this is gonna be my color, but in the bottle it kind of seemed like it was. But looks can be deceiving, but for $10, who's complaining? Like literally, I want to show you guys, like this is $10, okay? Like I bought this for $10. And it's the Laura Mercier, a little packaging, a little bent, a little beat up, but if we can make it work. So this is the foundation. So let me swatch this. I already swatched this when I was in the store. I guess like this pump is defective. I'm gonna put it right here. This is the M.A.C foundation, and this is the Laura Mercier foundation. So the next thing that I found was the first off, let me tell you, so I went inside of there, and you know Sigma brushes are very expensive, right? They had Sigma brushes in there. Y'all need to start going to Marshall's and taking your time and looking through all this stuff, because I done found some good stuff, okay? Some good stuff. I got this Urban Decay Pro Detailed Concealer F111 brush. For $4.99, like, come on now. Who's not gonna get an Urban Decay brush for $4.99? Real nice little brush to have. You can never have too many brushes. They also had Marc Jacobs brushes, and I think they were either $4.99 or they were $9.99. $19.99, okay? And it wasn't open. It wasn't open. It just looked as if it was dropped. I feel like this was a really good buy. Only thing is that the palette has not been used, okay? It was a little sketch, but it has not been used. But for the most part, hey, $19.99, you're coming home with me? Yes, I like it. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment your thoughts below, and hit that subscribe button somewhere so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. And let me know if you guys like these kind of videos, because I be finding some good stuff. So let me know your thoughts down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Stay safe and be blessed. Till the next video.